Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Man, it's been a hot minute since I've been in front of this camera. I'm super excited right now. I'm super pumped. We've got an itchy nose, but we've got the Glossybox Mother's Day edition today. It just showed up, so I'm just like, yes, let's open this. I'm so excited. Happy late Mother's Day to all the mothers out there who watch. It's great to be a mom some days. Some days it's really not. We're all homeschooling here. And it's testing my patience. But I'm getting through it. I hope you guys are, and I hope wherever you are that you are doing great. Anyway, let's hop into this box. I'm so freaking excited. Like, I haven't even opened it yet. Oh, so pretty. So for the Mother's Day box, you get to choose a pink one or like a mint green. I chose the mint green color because it's like one of my faves. It's freaking gorgeous. All right, so I'm so excited to get into this. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so pretty. Look, it comes just so nicely wrapped. Feels heavy. I have seen the spoilers though, I'm not gonna lie. I can't help it. I love spoilers. I love knowing what's coming. So you have somewhat of an idea. So it says handpicked just for you. A little pamphlet that tells us all about the products in this month, or in this special edition box. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to try these products. Ooh. Oh my goodness, some great products in here. First on top, I see a sample of a perfume. This one's called Angel by Mugler. Sorry if I say that wrong. Let's spray. Ooh, not bad. I'm not good at describing scents, but it says it's a delicious and fearless power of this fragrance. The brightness of bergamot awakens your senses, while the fantasy of Pearline ignites sweet, playful memories. This unique cocktail is counterbalanced by patchouli leaf for a fearless, long-lasting impression. It does smell really good. Yeah, I really, really, really like it. So that's the first item in the box. So far, so good. But I've been like really into perfumes and like the minis. I think I have a few. I have a few over here now. Hopefully not knock it off. But I have a few over there. Obsessed. All right, the next item we're pulling out is from Cab Cosmetics, and I am absolutely in love with their lip oils. I also have another lip gloss, and I really like that one too. Let's check out the color. Does it say on it? Oh, it says Red Velvet. Ooh, that sounds really good. This is what it looks like. I love the packaging. Sleek. And then this is like a rose gold color and their letters. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. Looks more fuchsia. This is the color. Looks really fuchsia to me. Let's clean this off my hand and give it a shot. Brought my trusty mirror over. I'm just taking off my lip gloss. I got Lancome Juicy Tubes today. Heard lots about it. Never had a chance to try it, so I thought I would, and so far I like it. I was so surprised I actually like the sparkles because it's not too much. I made a huge mess with it. It's really liquidy, but it's drying down nicely. I'm actually kind of like really in love with the color. Should have used a lip liner first. That would have made this easier. Oh well, nonetheless. What do you guys think? I think it looks great. Yeah, I'm actually, I was like on the fence, but I'm really enjoying this color. I think it looks good on me. It's a little like sticky. Just a heads up. But that doesn't bother me a whole lot, so it's not a big deal. Alright, let's move on to the next item, which is, oh, a full size. Oh yeah, I guess, should let you know it's full size and small sizes, but this is a full size. Bumble Bumble Surf Styling leave-in, so like a conditioner. Yeah, that's exciting because It'll help with my curly hair. I have not tried this one yet from Bumble and Bumble. I have tried a few of their products and really enjoyed them, so I'm super excited to test this on my curly hair and see if it helps with the frizz, because I have such frizzy hair and it drives me crazy. But that's super exciting. I'm so far in love with this box. It's great. I'm absolutely impressed. Woo! Next thing we have are a pair of sunglasses, which is funny because I just got another pair of sunglasses today too. I ordered a pair from Guess because they had a wicked sale. Look at these. Look at these sunglasses. Can we kind of do that, I guess? These are cute. Let me see. Oh yeah. Let's take the tag off. Oh yes. Oh my god, I love them. Oh. What do you guys think? I love them. I'm all about aviators and this kind of a style, so these are perfect. Sweet, now I've got 2 new sunglasses I can choose between. Loving it. Okay. A couple more items in this box. Super, super exciting. Next thing we have is from Authentic Beauty Concept. I've never heard of them. It's a replenish mask for damaged hair. Ooh, that sounds good. What does it say about it? Oh, guys, I guess I could have been telling you the price. I'm sorry. So the Angel perfume is $4. The glasses are $55. The lipstick is $18. This one is worth $10, and it's just a mask, strengthens the hair fiber and helps restore the cuticle. It's free from parabens and silicones, which is really good, and containing catatonic guar. I don't even know if I said that right, I'm sorry. A healthier replacement for silicone. This formula will make your hair easier to comb and leave it softer and shinier. Ooh, that's super exciting. I can't wait to test this out. Did I miss anything? Oh, the Bumble Mumble is worth $29. Sweet. So what did I pay for this box? Did I even mention that earlier? This box was, I think it was 30 USD. So I would have paid like 40-ish. So far, worth every penny. I'm really excited. Really excited about these products. All right, 3 left. Next one is Wellness Foy Purpose CBD Relief Cream with organic essential oils, soothing lavender. And this one is just a deluxe size. It says our lotions feature an innovative formula of organic, terpene-rich essential oils and emollients. I don't even know. And it says their long-lasting analgesic compounds penetrate to deep, provide fast, soothing relief of muscle aches, joint stiffness, severe pain, among other conditions. Well, I have a lot of different pain in my legs and my back, so this is definitely going to be one to try. And this one is worth, for the sample size, $8. Super, super exciting. All right, let's move on to the next one, and it is Bioderma Shine Control Moisturizer, combination oily sensitive skin. That's perfect. I have oily skin. I have been using the Oil Control Moisturizer from First Aid Beauty and absolutely loving it. So I'm excited to give this one a try too. Bioderma is a really good brand. I think I've tried a few of their products, possibly. I know I have a bunch of sample sizes in this mess of an office. But anyway, let's move on to the last product in the box, which is by Snow Fox Skincare. It's herbal youth oil, plant-based, potent, and pure. I like the box and the design on it. It's really pretty. It says the ultimate blend of powerful plant oils and exotic herbal extracts to help nourish and hydrate the skin for a firmer look. Ooh, that sounds good. Huh. Well, I'll definitely have to give this one a shot soon too. I'm not usually a fan of oils because I have oily skin. But you know what? I'm gonna give it a shot anyway. Super exciting. So what did you think? We've got some pretty freaking awesome products in this box, I tell you. I am super excited to try each and every one of them. What did we get? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can't hold them all in my hands. Perfume 8. Awesome. Super great Mother's Day box. I am going to enjoy every one of these items. There's a summer box coming out, I believe the 20th of this month for subscribers. So if you're interested in that, you can watch out for it because it looks like it's gonna have some great products in it too, and I'm super excited. I also have the subscription box again. I decided to re-get it, so I will have that hopefully soon. They haven't sent tracking yet, so I have no idea, but hopefully, I'll take these off now. Hopefully I will get that one soon, and we're gonna do Glossybox every month again. And yeah, but yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.